My name is Colin. I am here at the Academy dinner to spend time with other Academy members and property investors to get myself in the right frame of mind to be motivated to get on and do business. Just over a year, so I'm in my second year now. Really, really good. It's changed my life, really. I used to work at Amazon. I was already investing in property a little bit before.
Podcast, it's sick.
That's true. Yes, I was working at Amazon, and I came to a crash course, and just being in the room with like-minded people was something that I hadn't experienced. And I quit my job the next day and decided to give it all to property. Well, it's quite small, really. I've got 3 BRRs in the northeast, so little houses that I can buy, fix, push the value up, refinance, and then go again. Hoping to do another one in the next couple of months. But I've also got 2 flats down near Bath, which is basically just where I used to live. And those, since joining the Academy, I was just renting them out as a normal single let. But I realized that they would be better off as serviced accommodation. So I'm in the process now. One of them is now going as a serviced accommodation, making me a bit more than it did as a single let. And then the other one, I'm waiting for the tenants to when they move out, we'll do the same thing on that one. Yeah, it's a couple of, well, turning over like 3-4 grand, because those BRRs in the northeast, they're quite small houses. They rent for like 500 a month each. So yeah, I'm not talking huge numbers yet, but things are, the important thing is things are moving in the right direction. And yeah, well, I'm sort of yeah, it's I was making more money then, but I've got a lot more. I'm building my own thing now, you know, and it's only a matter of time before I'll be making the same money I was before. You know, it's. Yeah, it's been great. So when I first joined, or before I joined the Academy, before I went to the crash course, I was a little skeptical because there's a lot of bad stuff that's said about him. But I just thought, you know, crash course is £1. Why don't I just go and see for myself, you know? And that, like I said, that crash course totally blew me away. And now we've sort of become friends. I've got a podcast myself. I interviewed him. I mentioned to him that I was starting a podcast, and he was like super enthusiastic. He said, I'll come on and you can interview me and stuff. So that was great. That was the first time we sort of sat down and chatted together. Now I go to the boxing. So yeah, it's great. I never thought that we'd actually kind of become friends, given how many people are on the Academy and things. But he really does. It's really not like what I was worried about, you know. He really cares about Academy members, and we all care about each other. It's like a family. I think compared to other training, there's just so much more. He's just done a video where he went through everything on the portal. I mean, you get the dinners where there's like, several hundred people every month. And then there's the inner circles. And for me, those are the best things. The face-to-face networking, getting in a room with other people. For me, that's the most valuable thing. But then there's everything with the mentors. And then there's the things like Rate My Deal, all the stuff on the website, the tools that we can use. And then there's the 4-day trainings. There's just so much. You can't possibly do everything. And the masterminds, every day of the week, there's Zoom calls you can join. And yeah, so much. So that's why I think it's got to be the best place. I haven't heard of. I've heard that some of the other training companies don't offer anywhere near as much as you get on the Academy. Yeah. So my podcast is called the Self-Unemployed Podcast. It's about achieving financial independence, financial freedom, and I basically just interview Academy members and other people that are useful for to hear from about building your wealth. So check it out.